What's up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. The main question for today is, can Doge really hit $10, or is Pepeto the one that is about to leave Doge in the dust? The charts are heating up, the community is exploding, and this meme legend in the making is starting to turn heads across the entire space. That being said, if you're looking for the next high voltage move before the crowd catches on, Pepeto might just be it. Welcome back, guys. Looking at the chart right now, Dogecoin is showing real signs of life after a long period of consolidation. It's broken out of a descending channel, formed a clear double bottom, and pushed past that key 20 to 21 cents resistance. As you can see for yourself, guys, these are all bullish technical signals. On-chain data is backing this all up with rising futures and spot volumes, low sell pressure, and increased whale activity, which tells me that there is a genuine momentum building. The recent US Genius Act passing has added another layer of confidence to the market, and with alt season still in the early stages, a run to around $2 for Doge in this cycle is realistic in my view. But here is where it gets tricky. The idea of Doge hitting $10 doesn't match the market cap math. With its current 145 billion supply, $10 would mean a 1.45 trillion market cap. That is bigger than Bitcoin's all-time high and is close to Apple or Microsoft's valuation. Doge topped at 74 cents during peak retail hype and Elon Musk mania in 2021, so while we can expect bullish moves, that $10 target would take unprecedented market conditions to achieve. And in contrast to all of this, guys, Pepeto is operating in a completely different lane with a market cap that is so small that even modest inflows can trigger massive price increase. With its extremely low current price, it doesn't take billions to move the needle, which is exactly why early entries here can see exponential gains if momentum keeps building. So while Doge is holding strong, Pepeto is starting to steal the spotlight. Yeah, guys, it's a meme coin, but it's one that is backed by real infrastructure, and that combination is rare in this space. Engagement is off the charts, the excitement is growing daily as you can see, and early capital is flowing in at a pace you almost never see this early in a project. From my perspective, that is why so many experienced traders are calling Pepeto one of the top asymmetric bets of this cycle. This is the kind when the risk is limited by entry, but the upside can be literally game-changing. This project is positioning itself as a next-generation meme coin on Ethereum, blending that viral community energy we all know that drives the space with an actual functional infrastructure. And what makes it stand out to me is actually their vision, because they're aiming to become the first meme coin ecosystem to deliver true multi-meme adoption. The plan is to bring all meme coins together inside its own exchange and turning it into a single hub where trading, culture, and community overlap. From a trader's perspective, that is a powerful angle because it taps into the massive meme coin audience while giving them a central place to interact. And if Pepeto can pull this off, it won't just have its own loyal holders. This will also attract the wider meme coin market by giving them a home base. So when you compare Pepeto and Dogecoin side by side, the difference in growth potential is clear. Pepeto is still in its pre-sale phase at a micro price with over 100,000 active community members and $5.73 million already raised. It's built around a zero-fee exchange, Pepeto Swap, a cross-chain bridge, and staking. Dogecoin, on the other hand, is already sitting at 31 billion market cap, which limits its room for exponential growth compared to a fresh project like Pepeto. From an investor's perspective, this is exactly where the asymmetry kicks in. If Pepeto even reaches the price point Pepe hit, a $10,000 entry could turn into nearly $800,000. That is a level of upside that Dogecoin simply cannot offer anymore. I like that Pepeto's infrastructure is already being built with a focus on utility because that supports long-term relevance. Once listed, the token will be visible and tradable directly through its website's app, with token distribution happening during the listing process. All of this is going to make it seamless for all new buyers to get in and start trading from day one. While Doge will always have its loyal fan base, Pepeto's fresh approach and significant upside potential are drawing investors who want more than nostalgia. At its current pace, Pepeto is well positioned to rise toward the top of the meme coin market, so this is the perfect time to jump in. As you can see, the process is very simple and flexible, with payments supported in USDT, Ethereum, BNB, or even card payments, and you can connect easily through MetaMask or Trust Wallet to complete the purchase. The bottom line here is that if you want in on a project with real utility, massive upside, and a pre-sale price still sitting at the floor, check the link in the description and secure your Pepeto before this window closes. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.